Here's where you can find Zaria's Creations on social media. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Sean, creator of Zaria's Creations, and I just got a new little toy. I was just about to open it up and I figured I would share it with you guys. So I started to open this box. It is the HP Sprocket, and I want to see if I can set it up. And oh, that's why it came off. If I can set it up and print out a picture. Let's see. So I ordered this from, where did I order it from? I know you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. And I ordered these, this pack of photo paper, which was 10 sheets. I think this was about $10. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure. Might not even been $10. But this is the photo paper that I purchased. This Sprocket is actually bigger than what I thought. And so as soon as I open it, it's telling me to install the app. And I guess this is some photo paper. Has some instructions. I'm not good with instructions. It also has a cord. And I guess this is so you could put it in your computer or something. So I would actually need my attachment for Apple. I would need my Apple attachment so I can print out pictures. And I feel like there is, yep, there is. There's some wrapping on here. It's not a case, is it? It says zinc on the bottom. Not sure why when it's an HP. When it's an HP printer. Does it open? It does. Oh, is this the battery? No, this is the photo sheet. Oh, is that where the photo sheets go? Maybe I should look at the directions. Yes, and it comes out there. Okay. So it has in here like some wheels. This is funny. Zinc smart sheets must load facing down. Facing down. Is it back on? Oh. I did the wrong way. Alright, so what I needed to do was, I guess that's a charger. Is that how you turn it on? So there's a button back here. Of course, I'm trying to do this without even reading the instructions. Alright, let's go to the instructions because I'm not doing so good. English instructions. There are no instructions. I don't know what this is saying. Oh, maybe these are the instructions. Alright, so I loaded the paper. Oh, it wants me to load the blue copy. Well, why didn't it say that? Load the blue copy and then put these in face down. Charge when needed. Print with the Sprocket app. Scan with the app to reveal your magic. So I guess it is not charged. What is this button for? I don't know what that button is for. So I guess once it's charged, Oh, so a light did come on. Can you hear that? So there's something in there. So the first thing I need to do, I guess, is to download the app. Oh, and then the light came on. So what I'm going to do is throw it on the charger and download the app. And then we'll come back. That's the cord to charge. I just wanted to show you. This started coming out on its own. Didn't even realize it. So that's why it was making noise. So it pushed that out. All right, so now I'm going to download the app and then I'll be right back. Newbies, I'll show you guys how I downloaded the Sprocket through the App Store. I clicked on that app button, then I will go to the search and type in HP Sprocket. When it comes up, I will click on there and then click the Get button so that it can download. It'll take a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi and where you're located. And then once it downloads, you click open and then you just go through the screens, going through all the prompts, turning on all the things that you need to turn on. I just went green for all of these things and these items just to make my download smoother. I picked the Sprocket 200. That's the Sprocket that I actually have, but you can see there's a few more. Then it starts to take you through the rest of the screens and tells you how to load the paper and how to get connected. And there's a few other things. I don't have it on full screen because I'm just doing a brief overview just to give you an idea of what it's like to download. Now, I did come across a little thing. You don't see the accessory here. So I had to go back through my settings to make sure my Bluetooth actually picked it up. And at first it didn't, but then it did. So now I'm just going through it again to get it connected. And this actually worked out for me. So, and then once it worked, I was able to move forward. Once it found the Sprocket and actually connected, which took a few minutes. And then it took a few minutes. And then it took a few more minutes. And then finally it found it and it actually went through and connected. I just selected what color I wanted my LED light. And then from there, it had a few more screens to go through, a few more access to give between the phone, the camera, and the Sprocket. And then we were just about ready to go from here. So from here, I went right to the photo album to select the picture that I wanted. I'm selecting a picture from my girls trip so that I can finish my traveler's notebook. And then once I select it, you'll see it pop down. It'll populate, then you'll hit that photo, that printer picture. Once you hit the printer picture, it'll print. All right, so you saw me select that picture and it Bluetoothed its way right to here. So we missed a little bit because I was actually using my phone to select the picture, but I may do another one. And nothing came out. Alright, so what I just did was I took the paper out and I flipped it with the writing on the bottom. And I don't know if I may have to go back to the screen so I can see if I can reprint this picture. So it's doing something now because the color is supposed to be pink. And it's making noise. So let's see. Yay, my picture is coming. Ooh, I love it. And it's perfect. Sorry, I'm actually holding the camera now. Alright, so it looks like, so that is the picture. And it came out really nice. Super cool. I'm hyped. I have so many pictures to print out and to put into my traveler's notebook. If you guys haven't seen my video for the traveler's notebook, I'll put a link up above, up here, somewhere. And you'll be able to see how I created my traveler's notebook. Although I have created a new one from my most recent trips, but I'm super glad that I now have my book. So let's see if I can do one more. Let's see. And so we have the blinking blue light. Waiting for the noise to let us know that it's actually going to print. I hear it. And it's still blinking blue. Sorry for the hand. I didn't realize I was shaking this camera so much. And there we have the Beverly Hills sign. Yay! So that was pretty easy once I figured out that I needed to flip the paper. And I got it all set up. So the HP Sprocket is a hit with me. I am ready to fill up my traveler's notebook with my trips, past and present. And I definitely would recommend this, guys, to everyone, especially if you're doing memory planning. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to be the first to know if there's a new video posted to this channel. Oh, and guess what? Not guess what. Leave me a comment. Do you use an HP Sprocket or do you use something else? I don't know if there's any other mini photo printers, but I learned about this in our planner meetup. So that was the one that I actually went for, and I actually had a coupon. Again, I will leave a link in the description bar down below. Alright, that's it for real, guys. Until next time, blessings.